Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to apply different types of document views in MS Word. Yes guys, there are multiple ways to view your document and I'm going to show you how you can use those different kind of views or viewing options in order to smartly use MS Word software. So let's get into our MS Word tool and let's get understand about this. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my MS Word software and I've added some content over here. This is the dummy content. Now let's go to view tab in order to find viewing options, obviously, right? So I'm in a view tab, and in view tab, I'm gonna explain all these views options, right? So right now we are in print layout. Basically, this is the layout which if you print the document, this is the same layout which will be printed into your physical sheets, right? So this is the print layout properly. If you press Ctrl P, the same layout will be printed in the papers, as you can see here, right? Now if I go back, then we do have read mode. So if you click on read mode, this is how the reading mode looks like. You can properly read the document, right? Now if you click on this option, auto hide reading toolbar, if you click on this, this is how the screen looks like. Your read mode helps you to read the document properly, right? We do have two sheets right now, one here and one here. And if I close this, let me wait to close, let me click here, then press the escape button, and I'm back with the same print layout, right? So I hope you understood what is the read mode, and if you want to access read mode from shortcuts, then you can directly go to the right, basically the right corner of your MS Word software, and here you will be able to see the read mode again, right? Let me go back again. So read mode is basically if you want to read the document properly, then you can use the read mode so that you can see all the content properly, right? Then we have web layout. And what is the use of web layout? Basically, web layout is for the web version. Let's say if you are publishing the same content on the web or on any particular website, so this is the layout which will be looking when you use this particular content in any website, right? So this is why the web layout is here, right? Then we have outline option and draft option. Outline is basically if you want to outline the content, basically you want to curate the content properly, right? What is the use of outline? Let's say you have multiple headings in your content, right? You have thousands of word in your content, and now you want to curate your content properly. So you have to add headings, headlines, sub headlines, and then sub headlines under those sub headlines as well. So how you can format that thing in your MS Word? You can use this outlining feature, right? So let's say I'm first using this headline as a level 1. So this is my level 1 headline. Now if I go a little bit down, this is my sub headline. Now I can, right now it is already on level 2. If I want, I can increase the level. Basically it will be on level 3. It is not looking going like this, right? But yeah, you can do it like this. You can use your headlines to set level of those headlines so that the content can curate properly and the content can become more understandable and readable, right? Now if I go back again to outline feature, oops, the draft mode is turned on. Let me go back to view, go to outline again. Now here we are. Let's say I'm increasing the level of this, and you can notice that if the level is increasing, it is going to the right side of my screen, as you can see, right? So if you are increasing the level, it will go extreme right side of the screen, right? So this is how this works. Also you can drag this plus icon in order to increase or decrease the level. As you can see, if you drag it to left, it will automatically decrease the level, right? Then the top level is obviously level 1, then level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we do have the simple content which is body text, right? So if you want, You can change the level of your body text as well, but this is totally up to you that how you would how you want to design your content, how you want to format your content, right? How basically how you want to create the outline of your content. This is the simple definition. Then here we do have show levels. If you click on level 1, you'll be able to see all the level 1 headlines. Then you'll be able to see all the level 2 headlines. So this is how you can see all the levels basically. Then we do have show text formatting. So if you uncheck this box, you'll be not able to see the text formatting. Formatting is basically the cosmetic changes, the designing. As you can see, now we are seeing without any formatting, right? There's no any size increasement, there's no any color, there's no any font design, font changes, nothing, right? Then we have show first lines only. Now if I go back to the outlining feature, now let me do one thing. Let me turn on the formatting option. Now let me press 1. Now as you can see, this is the option which says show first line only, and if you uncheck this box, you'll be able to see the content without any the hidden word, right? Basically if you select this, this will show only the first line of your content, basically the paragraph, right? So it is showing the first line of your paragraph, and if you click on this plus icon, as you can see here, you'll be able to drag it to up and down like this, right? Now if you uncheck this box, as you can see, all the paragraphs is been expanded now, right? So that's how you can format the thing. Basically you can create the outline of your content in order to make it more readable and understandable, right? So this depends on your content, which type of content you are creating. Now let me just close this. Now again, in the view tab we have the last option, which is draft. Draft is basically if you are short of time and you want to quickly edit your document, so you can use the draft option, right? Let me wait, let me go back to draft. Once I activate the draft button, basically it turns off the footer and the header bar of your document. Right now we don't have the footer and the header bar. As you can see, this is the page end, and from here directly the page second is starting, right? So there is no footer and header bar directly. As you can see, non-stop the content will go to 1 to 16th page, right? So there is no gap, there is no anything extra content. You just have to edit the content directly. So if you're short of time, you can use the draft feature to promptly make the changes into your document. So I hope you understood the things, I hope you learned from this tutorial, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also don't forget to share this course with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word effectively and efficiently. With that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.